All right, so today we're going to talk about plotting points on a number line, and so that we can compare mixed numbers in various forms. Okay, so we're going to, if you look here, we're going to be doing decimals and fractions, but we're going to be putting them all on the decimal number line, really. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go through and I'm going to underline my decimals. Those I don't have to do anything to, and I can find easily where I can put them. So I'll just look at my number line. So I notice it's 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, and then in between must be hundredths. So I'm going to plot a point on 6/10. So I'm just going to plot that point right there, 6/10, and I'm going to cross it out so I can see that it's 6/10. Then I'm going to look at the next one. It's 76 hundredths. So I'm going to look at it and say, okay, there's 7/10 there first. So I'm going to go to 7/10. And then I'm going to say, oh, how many hundredths do I have? I have 6. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I notice that this is the halfway point. So this must be 75. So then this one is a little darker here. So that must be 3, 4, 5. Oops. This one here must be 65, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one's going to be 55. So that's just a little note there that you can also mark for yourself if you want. So I'll cross that one out. So now I have 53 hundredths. So I'm going to say 5/10 or 50 hundredths, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to mark that 53 hundredths. Oh, and I didn't mark this one back here, sorry. $76 hundredths. So I've got half of them done. So the first one I'm going to look at, it's over 10. So this is 5/10. So I'm looking at the numbers that are already there because those are tenths, and I'm going to put one on the 5/10. Now I have 79 hundredths. So I could count all those, or I could think about how this works. So if I had, say, a place value chart, right? And I have 79 hundredths, and I move the 7 over, so I actually have 7/10 and 9 hundredths. So now I know I go to the 7/10, and I count over to the 9, and I have 79 hundredths. Next is 67